Hello, I'm Michael Salter and I'm going to show you how to connect two monitors to a laptop running Microsoft Vista. I will cover the necessary hardware, how to set up monitor orientation, how to set custom resolutions on an NVIDIA graphics card, and a few useful programs to help you maximize your desktop. Many people add monitors to a computer for gaming, when running and operating multiple programs simultaneously, and to increase efficiency during research-intensive projects. To successfully complete this task, you will need a laptop running Microsoft Vista, two monitors with their power cables, a working power outlet, two VGA cables, an external VGA video card, and the installation CD which comes with it. This particular external video card is made by Triton and it has worked flawlessly. For simplicity, the monitor permanently attached to the laptop will be monitor 1, and we will hook up monitors in sequential order. Monitor 1 is the primary monitor since the taskbar is at the bottom and I want it to remain on this screen. I will elaborate more on this later. You'll need to reboot your computer to complete this task, so be sure to make the necessary preparations by saving and closing excess programs in Windows now. To hook up monitor 2 to your laptop, make sure the monitor is plugged in to a working power outlet. Connect one end of a VGA cable to the back of the monitor in the blue trapezoidal outlet. Turn the monitor on. Then connect the other end of the VGA cable in the corresponding outlet in the laptop found on the side or back. Your laptop will flicker a few times before finally sending signal to the second monitor. At this point, you should be able to move your cursor from one screen to another, or the second monitor should be a mirror image of your primary monitor. Even if monitor 2 isn't displaying anything, right-click on your desktop and select Personalize from the bottom of this pop-up. Click Display Settings at the bottom. This is the menu allowing you control of your monitors. If you're ever experiencing problems with any of your displays, this menu is usually where you'll find the solution. Select the monitor displaying the number 2 and click the checkbox to extend the desktop onto this monitor. While you're in the Display Settings menu, feel free to rearrange monitors to your liking. To do this, simply click and drag the screen. Click OK. If it asks you if you would like to keep these display settings, click Yes. If there is no monitor 2 shown in the display setting pop-up, restart your computer while leaving the second monitor attached and turned on. This will force your computer to recognize that new hardware has been added. To hook up the third monitor, start by inserting and running the installation disk. The install process here is an abbreviated version, which is a 4-minute install process on an HP G60. After the CD has installed, the guide will ask you if you want to reboot your computer now or later. Select Now. This allows the programs from the CD to completely install and take effect on your computer. After your computer has restarted, plug monitor 3 into a power outlet and connect one end of the VGA cable to the monitor and the other end to the external VGA video card. Plug the video card into a USB slot on your laptop. Both the primary and secondary monitor should flicker a few times before finally sending signal to the third monitor. If it does not, right-click your desktop, select Personalize at the bottom of this pop-up. When the personalization dialog box pops up, click Display Settings at the very bottom. Select the monitor displaying number 3 and click the checkbox to extend your desktop onto this monitor. Click OK. If it asks you, do you want to keep these display settings, click Yes. If there is no monitor 3 shown in the display settings pop-up, restart your computer while leaving both monitors attached and turned on. This will force your computer to recognize that new hardware has been attached. If you prefer to have your monitors in a different order than they are listed in the display settings box, rearrange them by dragging them into a different order. Click OK. If it asks, do you want to keep these display settings, click Yes. Resolution is the number of pixels displayed on the screen. It is similar to DPI or dots per inch for a printer, only resolution is given in two numbers, horizontal and vertical. If this is set incorrectly on any of your monitors, there could be parts of the monitor that you can only see when you force your mouse beyond the limit of the screen. This display will then scroll in that direction, similar to scrolling on an oversized web page. Another telltale sign is if your desktop icons look larger on one monitor than another. To fix this, if you don't know your monitor's factory resolution, in a search browser type in the monitor make and model followed by the word resolution. It should be relatively easy to find. If monitor 2 needs a different resolution setting, bring up the display settings box. Select monitor 2 and move the sliding bar to the appropriate number. If it does not display the appropriate ratio, click Advanced Settings. In the next pop-up, click on the tab labeled with the name of your graphics card. Mine is GeForce 8200MG. Then click Control Panel. In the next screen on the left-hand side, select the Manage Custom Resolutions option found under Display. Select the disproportionate monitor and click Create. If monitor 3 needs a different resolution setting than your computer has available, you may need to switch which monitor is using the external video card. With some external video cards, you cannot create custom resolutions. Swapping the connections of monitors 2 and 3 should give you the ability to adjust monitor 3's resolution settings. Remember, if you need to rearrange your monitor order, it can be done in the display settings box. When it comes to having multiple monitors, having an individual taskbar for each monitor can help you to stay organized. Ultramon allows different wallpapers on each monitor, different taskbars on each monitor, and it even allows you to save different wallpaper sets. Display Fusion is also a great program. This provides a few extra features that Ultramon does not, including more advanced wallpaper management, more advanced multiple monitor screensavers, window snapping, and clocks on each taskbar. If Display Fusion does not provide an elaborate enough screensaver, consider Really Slick screensavers from reallyslick.com. After downloading and installing the file, the screensavers can be selected straight from your screensaver settings. I hope you found this video helpful, and feel free to leave any feedback or ask any questions.